Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the debugging process for DTC P05CC, indicating a cold start VTC-A system malfunction in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This error occurs when the engine control module, PCM, detects an out-of-range phase difference between the phase control command and the actual position of the intake camshaft. The variable timing control, VTC, system plays a crucial role as it optimizes engine performance by adjusting the timing of the intake camshaft according to various engine conditions. When the areas of control fail or malfunction, a diagnostic trouble code, DTC, like P05CC is generated. It is critical to inspect the VTC components, including the VTC oil control solenoid valve A, the VTC actuator A, and the oil passages related to the variable timing control. This presentation will provide a detailed troubleshooting guide to effectively address DTC P05CC. The error described by DTC P05CC involves the variable timing control, VTC system, specifically focusing on the A phase control. The VTC system manages the timing of the intake camshaft to enhance engine efficiency and performance. If the PCM, or powertrain control module, detects a significant difference between the commanded phase and the actual phase of the intake camshaft, it registers this anomaly as DTC P05CC. Key components involved in this system include the VTC oil control solenoid valve A, which regulates the flow of oil to the VTC actuator, the intake camshaft itself, which controls air intake into the engine, and the associated oil passages that facilitate oil flow to these components. Proper functioning of these parts is vital for optimal engine performance. Thus, pinpointing the source of malfunction is essential for restoring vehicle reliability. There are several potential causes for DTC P05CC that must be evaluated systematically. First, low engine oil pressure can lead to inadequate operation of the VTC system, as the system requires specific oil pressure levels to function properly. Next, the VTC oil control solenoid valve A might be defective, which would prevent it from regulating oil flow correctly to the actuator. Additionally, debris or other obstructions in the VTC system oil passages could block oil flow, compromising the system's performance. Each of these factors can lead to the failure of the phase control system and should be inspected thoroughly during troubleshooting to ensure all components meet operational standards. When dealing with a DTC P05CC issue, several symptoms may arise. Firstly, drivers may notice overall engine performance degradation, resulting in reduced power during acceleration or erratic operation while driving. This behavior can be attributed to the malfunction of the variable timing control system. Additionally, the vehicle may display a warning message on the dashboard indicating a VTC system error. Furthermore, abnormal engine idling, characterized by rough or inconsistent RPM fluctuations, could also highlight that the intake camshaft's timing is compromised. Identifying these symptoms early can help prevent further engine damage and enhance the troubleshooting efficiency. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P05CC involves letting the engine cool down until the ECT sensor 1 indicates a temperature of 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius, or lower. This cooling is crucial as it ensures accurate testing by eliminating heat-induced errors during diagnostic procedures. Once the engine has cooled, start it and monitor various sensors and components involved in the VTC system. It's important to assess whether the engine runs smoothly upon startup and to check for any abnormal noises that may suggest underlying issues within the system. Observing the engine's initial behavior after startup paves the way for further troubleshooting steps, allowing for clear identification of where issues may lie. Next, hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load until the radiator fan activates. This procedure allows the engine to reach an operational state where the VTC system can effectively regulate intake camshaft timing. Maintaining this RPM is necessary because it triggers the conditions under which the VTC system operates under normal circumstances. The activation of the radiator fan is an indication that the engine has reached a certain temperature threshold, ensuring that the system is being tested in a representative operating condition. It's a vital step because it tests the actual functionality of the VTC system under controlled conditions. After this step, you should listen and watch for any unusual behavior from the engine that could signify ongoing issues. The next step involves conducting a test drive of the vehicle at a steady speed between 25 and 75 miles per hour, 40 to 120 kilometers per hour, for a duration of 10 seconds or more. This real-world test enables observation of how the VTC system behaves under growth conditions. Maintaining a steady speed ensures that the system functions as it should during normal driving scenarios, which is essential for effectively diagnosing the DTC P05CC error. During this test drive, it is crucial to pay attention to how the vehicle accelerates and whether any warning lights appear on the dashboard. After the drive, monitor the HDS to check if the DTC P05CC is present, as this will confirm if the error has been addressed or if further troubleshooting is needed. Once all necessary repairs and inspections have been completed, it's time for the final verification. Begin by clearing the DTC from the PCM memory using a Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool. After clearing the code, perform a retest by repeating the aforementioned driving procedures to ensure that the VTC system is functioning correctly. It's important to monitor the vehicle's performance during this phase, especially focusing on smooth acceleration, normal idle behavior, and the absence of warning messages on the dashboard. This step confirms that all previous issues have been effectively resolved and that no new codes emerge. If the DTC reappears, it may indicate the need for further inspection or a deeper investigation into unresolved problems. Preventive maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity and functionality of the VTC system in Honda Accords. Regularly checking the quality of engine oil is essential, as low oil pressure can lead to systemic failures in the VTC. Ensure that the oil is changed per manufacturer recommendations, as using high-quality oil will help maintain optimal engine performance. Additionally, periodic inspections of the VTC system and its components, such as the oil control solenoid and oil passages, can preemptively identify issues before they escalate to serious malfunctions. It is advisable to adhere to the recommended maintenance schedule to ensure all components operate within specified parameters and to prevent any recurrence of DTC P05CC. In conclusion, handling DTC P05CC necessitates a comprehensive understanding of the VTC system and its direct impact on engine performance. By diagnosing the causes and symptoms effectively, technicians can systematically troubleshoot to isolate and resolve the issue. It's essential that components such as oil solenoids and passages are inspected for any signs of failure or blockage. Furthermore, addressing low engine oil pressure is crucial to maintaining the health of the entire system. Finally, static preventive measures can help mitigate the risk of such DTCs recurring, ensuring optimal vehicle operation and longevity. Through diligent monitoring and maintenance practices, the integrity of the VTC system can be preserved, thereby enhancing performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.